a strong believer that project managers, facility managers, innovators, leaders, any one task with empowering people, trying to come about with something new, trying to improve, can surely get a lesson or two from anywhere and everywhere. So this is a story, a lesson that I'm getting from me eating roasted eggplant. Now, most of us would know in different cultures, in different environments, we will call the eggplant, refer to it as aubergine, eggplant, melangin, bygone. Same ingredient, that's the same ingredient. And as I ate this roasted eggplant that was brought to me on the table in this restaurant, I said to myself, this is one ingredient that you could make so many different dishes from, and the taste is different. You could fancy it up. This eggplant, you make it roasted, you could make it as a choker, you can make it stew, curry, add a potato, so many different ways because of the different cultures and environment, you cook it. And the lesson that I'm really getting from this is how organizations can really implement their strategic direction as well, their programs. Let's say, for example, in education, I myself develop a lot of training programs. That's what I do. I develop a lot of course curriculum training. And the core element, just as the ingredient, must always be there. The core ingredient or the core elements of any training program, you must have feedback. You must have the methodology that you're going to use in order to teach students. How are you going to use? What are the practical exercises? All training must have that. These are the core elements that must be there. The ingredients, just as the eggplant, these are my ingredients. And then definitely I can change it up in order to create an outcome and package it differently. So the training, I can package it online or face-to-face. Either way, or I can do it a hybrid. I could also do it self-paced learning. Any way that I choose, the core elements will always be there. So I've seen in organizations innovation and we want to innovate, but we need to understand what your core elements are and build on that as well. Thanks again, everybody. Hope you hit the subscribe button and hope you will log on to caribbeanconnect.org where you can get a self-paced learning on many different bite-sized topics for consumption. Thanks again.